everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Beer, Bros, and Bon Appetit. As always, I'm Chris, and today we're answering a challenge put out by our friends of the show, the Kitchen Queers. They've issued a challenge called #quarantinecooking. The concept of this challenge is to cook with nothing but what is here available at place. No special trips to the supermarket. So whatever's in your fridge, pantry, your freezer, whatever. When I got up this morning, I had no idea what I was going to put out. So as I searched my fridge, my freezer, my pantry, I found everything that I need to make Nonna's spaghetti sauce. I'd like to send a special shout out, a thank you to all of our essential workers, nurses, doctors, truck drivers, grocery store workers, our liquor store people. You guys are help keeping us sane, help keeping us safe, help keeping us fed, and making sure that we are looked after medically. You guys are all amazing. Thank you. I know you guys are all putting yourselves and your families at risk to make sure that the rest of us are safe. I am just going to add a little bit of olive oil. We are going to get that nice and hot. And then we're going to throw in the beef, get that browned, and the vegetables will follow. And now we will just add in the crushed tomatoes. Now I'm just going to add my spices. We'll give that a good stir. Guys, this is smelling amazing. Now I want to thank Mitch from Kitchen Queers for asking me to participate in this challenge. #quarantinecooking is a multi-channel collaboration, and you will see all sorts of cooking channels on the YouTube platform that will participate and maybe inspire you. Alright, so I grabbed a little bit. I'm going to give this a quick taste. My pasta's ready, so if this is good to go, then I'm ready to eat. Oh, that's nice and chunky. That smells great. It looks good. Oh, that's hot. Watch your mouth, guys. Man, this is amazing. I decided not to use the tomato paste because it was actually thick enough. So you can use it if you want, don't use it. If you did, you probably only need a teaspoon or two. I suppose it is dependent on the ground beef that you use. I use the lean. But yeah, this is great. The spaghetti sauce is something that just about everybody loves. It's easy to make. And the beauty of it is especially with the hashtag quarantinecooking. You can use pretty much whatever you have at home. Clean out your fridge, clean out your pantry. It's a great opportunity to use up some of those leftovers. If you've got half an onion in there, if you've got half a pepper. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications down below. That way there you will be notified every time we put out a new video. With that being said, I want to thank you very much for hanging out with me. That's been Beers, Bros, and Bon Appetit. Now I'm going to have to share this.